Hey YouTube, it's Tootsie. I was just playing around with my twist that I've had for about 3.5 weeks now, maybe almost 4. And I'm realizing I love my twist, and I was just coming to the realization that I think I want dreadlocks. I think I want dreadlocks. I love my twists so much, and I've been taking them down. I take one down at a time to detangle it. And I've been getting a lot of hair coming out of my finger. You know, like, I know it's probably shed hairs, but it's been more than usual. So I think I'm thinking about getting dreadlocks, or either trying to turn these twists into dreadlocks. If anybody out there knows how I can do that, if it's possible to do that, to turn twists into dreadlocks, hit me up down below. Give me a comment, you know, let me know, or shoot me over to a site where, you know, dreadlocks. I'm going to check out and see if I can find some dreadlock channels. And but I love my twists, and oh my god, it's been winter time, it's been dry, and I've been wearing my twists because my hair has been so dry. But I've been doing the lock method, moisturizing. I've been doing my super duper moisture method, and keeping my hair moisturized, and I really love the volume of my twists. And yeah, I love the way they, you know, they're healthy. I clipped all my ends. I clipped off. I clipped all the bad ends off. As I said before, the more your hair is the same volume all the way through, that means your hair is healthy, that your ends are clipped. It doesn't, you know, have to be big, then little, you know. So I'm loving the health of my hair right now, and I've come to the realization that I want dreadlocks, and I love my hair in twists like this, and it's been so manageable. I've been able to take care of it, you know, because I don't like to do my hair. The longer my hair gets, I get so tired of doing my hair. I'm really tired. And the last time, as I told you guys before, I was natural once, and I went back to the perm, and then I came back. So I've been natural now for about, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna say I think about 4 or 5 years. I don't know. I have to look at my dates. But yeah. So the last time I was 6 years in, and my hair was getting so long and thick, and I couldn't do anything with it. I didn't know what to do with it, and I cut it. First, I cut it all off really short in a short bob, and then I got a perm. I got a perm relaxer. But then I went back again because I realized that the relaxers just tore my hair up. It just ate my hair up. It wasn't good for my hair. Made it really thin. But I'm thinking I want to dread. I want to lock up. I'm ready to lock them up. So all my shed hairs will be still in there, and my dreadlocks will be nice and heavy and full and voluminous, and I want them to just grow to their, you know, heart's content. So we'll see. This is the beginning. This is the length that I'm going to start at. I'm going to see if it's possible to start from twists. If not, I want my dreads to be just the same volume of these twists. So that's a good thing. I'm able to see the volume that I want. Let me go a little bit closer, just in case I have to do it again. I want to see the volume. So yeah, that's the size that I like, and I'm so happy with my decision. I'm so excited. Dreadlocks. Tootsie's going dread, y'all. I am so excited. I love my hair in these twists, and oh my god, I look forward to updating you guys and letting you know how the journey is going. But yes, I'm gonna lock it up, and that was a decision that came so easily. It's just like I looked in the mirror at my twists, and I realized my twists look healthier and healthier every, you know, as time passes on, and I'm loving the way they look. It just looks so nice. I don't even want to take them down. I was afraid that they would dread, that my twists would dread before. That was before I came to this realization, and I was like, oh man, I'm keeping them in so long. It's just so easy to take care of this hairstyle that I wonder if I'm keeping them in too long, because I hear people getting mini twists, and they keep theirs in for 2 weeks. You know, some of them 1 or 2 weeks. But I've had these for 3.5 weeks, and they're looking so good. They're looking actually better and better. I'm just loving the way they're just hanging, because you know, my hair is starting to grow, and yeah, my twists are just hanging down so nicely, and I'm loving it. So I'm excited, y'all. Somebody out there, just give me some encouragement. You know, if you dread it, and you tell me about your experience, I'm gonna go online and look up some other you know, girls who went, you know, dread. you know, took it to the next level. So I'm so excited to be able to preserve what God gave me. God gave me this hair, and I hate when it falls out. I know that God made it so that it could shed and fall out, but I'm so happy that I found a way to preserve what God gave me, and just to be able to leave my hair alone, because I mess with my hair too much. And this protective style is what made me want to grow dreads. So I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. And yeah, I hope you guys remember, I'm not in Mexico right now. I'm in America, in California, and I'm enjoying the American life again, because, you know, I've been in Mexico for 5 years. So yeah, so 5 years I was there, and then now I'm back in the States. So we're just visiting for now. We're thinking about, you know, moving back again, but for now we're just visiting, and I'm going shopping and taking care of the boys, getting the schooling done and stuff. So I'm still busy, but back in the States, it's very, very fast-paced. Very fast-paced. So not what I'm used to. I'm used to, like, you know, everything slow-mo, where we were for the past 5 years. So it's exciting. So when I'm getting stuff done, meeting new people, and really trying to get back on YouTube, back onto my Tootsie Road. So I'm sorry I've been away for so long, but you guys know I transitioned by moving from Mexico to the USA. All right, guys. So I'm sitting out here on my front porch, and I put my hair up in this kinky puff, Afro puff. It was the easiest thing for me to do. It's one of my favorite styles, being natural. But so yeah, I was speaking about my dreadlocks, and I just want to say that the word dreadlocks, it just rolls off my tongue so easily. You know how sometimes there's words that you need to get used to, and it's like, you know, something new to you, and you have to get used to saying it. Well, dreadlocks just feels so right to me. It feels so right. It just feels like, you know, like, I don't know. It was just a decision that came very easily to me. Like, you know how we're all searching around for that thing to do with our hair that's going to make it a little bit easier? Well, dreadlocks was my thing. And I'm like, wow, that just puts everything all into place. Dreadlocks. This is funny. I just went to, before I came out here, I was looking for my glasses. I was looking everywhere for my sunglasses. My favorite sunglasses are these. And in the video before this one, they were up here. And then I put these on, so I had 2 sunglasses on. So, yeah, forgive me for that, guys, but I do not want to make that video over again. So I'm just going to leave it like that. If y'all want to laugh, go ahead and laugh. But that is funny. It is funny having 2 pairs of glasses on. Let me see. I'm going to keep them up there. Like that. But these are my favorites.